Hello, Tracy here from Resurrected, and joining me in the studio today is...
Hi, I'm Jami with Allusions.
And today we're going to be opening up a special mystery box from Beadalon. Yes, they're this big. These boxes were originally made for a bead show in Pennsylvania. They had some extra boxes left over and graciously put them online. They sold out in 24 hours.
These are not curated bead boxes, but they're discontinued, overstock, and clearance items from Beadalon. So everything in this box has an MSRP of $75, but we got it for $25.
And we are overjoyed to be opening these up, so let's get to it. Okay, here we go.
I'll let you do yours first. I think if we do it simultaneously, we're going to have injuries. Oh, I'm so excited.
Yeah, did I squeak? I squeaked.
Mine.
Oh no! Yeah, you gotta make sure you get it.
You have to push hard. Yeah.
Oh my goodness! Oh, the braid wire!
Oh, look, they put a little card. DIY jewelry. Follow us for inspiration. Oh, look that one. They're so
Oh,
short.
the large wire crimp connectors.
Oh my goodness, it's a bag of crimps. Wow.
Oh, the chainmail rings. Oh, are they all the copper? Yeah, they are the copper. Oh my gosh. It says gunmetal on there, but
Cord ends.
Ooh.
That's cool. Oh, I thought they were crimps, but that's great.
Ooh, more of the... Oh, this is the twisted. This isn't the braid. So, okay, 20 gauge
nice.
twisted.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness. A bulk pack of the... It's 12 gauge. It's sort of like a... It's green. Okay, I thought it was turquoise. But
this with this monofilament.
The Supplemax is great.
Green. Oh, that'll be nice.
Oh, in black. They know my heart.
Yes.
No.
Oh, wow. Silver-plated 9mm.
And to go with the wire, I got chainmail rings in black. Yay!
Oh, goodness. Let's see. Oh, wow.
see.
Okay, nice.
What
Tags. So you can use them for clasp, but you could also use them to hang things off of.
Oh. I sometimes use them as connectors for larger pendants. Oh, I got cord ends in gold.
Oh, nice.
Look at this chain. Yes. Oh my gosh.
Wow, there's 250 in each bag. Oh my goodness.
I love this chain. This is perfect for Halloween.
That's gorgeous.
And you know what? This Beadalon chain goes well with some of the, I don't know if it's considered gunmetal. Yeah, I guess it's considered gunmetal. Tiara cast pendants.
Yes. These are cute. I've not worked with these before.
Wait, what is this? Rose gold color, 20 yards, and it's silver plated.
Oh, okay. It's a crimp, but you use a little screw, and this is the tool for it.
Yeah, the scrimps.
I haven't used those
Wyatt
before.
has done some really good videos with those.
I'll have to look up some
Oh.
videos.
Oh, yeah, here.
I got the
So
chain.
this is the chain was in this package,
Oh, it
but it
set
got
out the side.
yeah, but it happens in shipment. I love this chain. Oh
I
my
do too.
gosh,
So I can see
that's
some beautiful Halloween.
this.
with
Oh, I got a tool. I got a tool. I think it's a crimp. I think it's a crimp tool of some sort.
Wow, I have 4 spools of wire.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna be trading.
Yeah, it's like
'cause-
Halloween when you switch out candies.
Yeah.
I
This is 30 gauge. This is rose gold color.
permanent in color.
Oh, so you can do the flower beading.
Oh, artistic wire. Gotcha.
What gauge is it?
It's 34.
Yeah, that's for the flowers.
Nice and thin.
Oh my goodness. Oh, more cord ends. Oh, and this goes well with Leather Cord USA. They make a lot of really nice leathers that would go with that.
Got 7-strand wire.
Oh,
Tiger tail.
nice.
Nice.
Oh, chain fell out of the bag, but I'm again
No big
not
deal.
angry at this. Not remotely. Oh, speaking of cord, I don't even know. Is this one of their nylon cords?
It looks like
honestly not
paper.
sure. Oh my gosh.
And then the green wire.
So-
like you got.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. I'm very pleased.
So happy, insanely happy. Spools,
gosh.
crimps, chain.
New tools to use. and
Yeah. Oh, what tool did you
wire.
get?
The script.
Oh,
it
yeah.
has the screwdriver actually as part of it.
Oh, wow.
So it tightens it down. So I'm gonna have to look at a video because I haven't used these before, but that looks nice
But
and secure.
this is a wonderful way to go
Holy
out of your
cow.
comfort zone. And I really do like the large wire crimp connectors.
Wow. Yeah.
Because
Because those can be used as a bead or as a crimp.
you use them especially if you're making bracelets and you actually want to close them. So like if you want to turn memory wire or other ones into a full shape without it having
Gotcha, like a bangle.
Yes, thank you. Words that I did not have. Wow, I'm so excited. And depending on the gauge, because they do come in different gauges, you can use them on the braided wire, you can use them on the leather. At first, I honestly thought this might have been leather, but no, it's the 12
I have
gauge.
a spool too.
Oh, you do? Well, I have a whole pack.
Oh, do I have? No, I have one. But that's okay. I'm still okay with that. It's 10 feet of it. I mean, that's a lot for me.
And you know what's neat? When it's the larger gauge, it will make good ornaments and even like keychains and stuff.
Like sun catchers.
Thank you. Oh yeah, yeah.
Window
Words,
catcher? No.
words. I currently do not possess.
So
I love this. This chain is hardy. This is hardy chain, and yeah, it's 5.5 elongated, so it's the oval. How many feet? 4.10. That is nice.
That's at least 2 to 3
and you know,
necklaces
chain
and bracelets.
In general, like gold and silver, and even the gunmetal and antiques are huge this year.
Each spool is 30 yards.
Oh my goodness!
4 of them in there.
Oh, you got a different type.
It's very thin. It's 34 gauge.
Oh wait, no. This is the stringing wire. I got it in black, and this.
Oh, you have the 7 string. I got that in silver.
Oh,
the 7 string.
Is it silver plated?
It says it. No, softer than tiger tail. Excellent strength, good flexibility and drape, good kink resistance, good abrasion resistance.
I gotta use these cord ends. I've been struggling at times, and I'll acknowledge it, at working with cords where I don't always like how I finish it with wire wrapping, because I know, it's a perfectly valid way is finishing it with wire. But I've always thought the cord ends make it smoother, and especially for people who have like tactile, they don't want it, rough, or they want to feel the, sharp edges. These crimp ends really work nicely.
So nice and thin.
Oh, that'll make great flowers. And I know
like invisible necklace, like string.
Yeah, you can. And I've even used that in my miniature work. I know, miniatures. I'm bringing up again.
Ooh,
I have a problem.
That would be pretty for earrings too. So it's nice and lightweight.
And did you get any of the chainmail packets?
I got black. Yes.
Okay. Well, we'll be definitely trading because I know you like copper. Yeah.
Oh gosh, I'm dropping stuff. Okay. I've got a 3-pack with 250 in each bag. So there's 750.
And it's so funny because years ago, when I was at one of the big trade shows, I think it was CHA, Beadalon was showing how you use the chainmail to make all kinds of stuff, from the Renaissance sort of recreation stuff to very high end fine art jewelry pieces, wearable art stuff, and I love it. And I've got to look this up and see what type of. I'm thinking this is a crimp tool of some sort. It's one of the travel sizes, but I love it because I'll be honest with you, there's times I get an idea for jewelry and I'll have certain tools with me, but some of them are just too big and bulky. And these actually, they have a comfortable grip. Here, I'm just going to take out a package. I'm going to be awful. Yeah, they sure seem like some sort of crimp tool, but I'll figure it out. I'll go to their website, see what they've got. I know sometimes these are closeouts or they don't have any more, but I know there will be some sort of YouTube video with these on there. No complaints whatsoever.
The Supplemax cord that I have, I didn't even notice it's green.
Yeah. We got different colors. I got rose gold.
That's neat.
Oh, wait, no, I didn't get the Supplemax. I got artistic wire, the craft wire, in 30 gauge in rose gold, and then I've got the artistic wire in green at 12 gauge.
Yes.
Then I've got all the different chains. I love this chain.
This was great.
Yeah,
I am very pleased.
Very happy. And then this is DIY jewelry. Follow us for more inspiration. Yep. Follow. I already follow all these.
Yep.
But
huge fans.
I'm just gonna say I'm very happy with this. I now kind of feel silly for not buying more of the boxes, but I wanted to be nice. One box for each of us. Yeah, next
we're not
time.
Gonna be nice.
No. we're gonna buy multiple boxes because this is by far way worth
so
over
much
$25.
And some new things and new techniques to learn, because this is not stuff I would have. I didn't even know about this. I'm gonna have to look up some Sublimax videos and see how to work with it. I'm stoked.
This is great. Really enjoyed this. I know Beadalon is talking about in the future doing more boxes. It's going to be intermittent. It's basically when they've got overstock, different things that are basically what they call in warehouses shelf warmers. They've been sitting there for a while. And so
samples.
I'm very happy with this.
I think this is neat.
And would do it again.
Yes.
So. Well, hope you guys stay safe, continue watching our videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And, well, stay safe, stay crafty.
See you next time.